Now we will see the S3 replication. S3 replication is like creating a replica of your S3 bucket in a cross region or in the same region. It will be more useful to take a backup of your S3, or you want to have a DR solution. You have a DR solution in a different region. You can use the S3 replication. Now I already have a bucket which has some file inside that. I'm going to create a replication for this bucket. For this, I'm going to create a new bucket in a different region in US West. Though the S3 buckets are global, it will it is globally available, but it will be specifically stored in some regions. Now my existing bucket is in North Virginia. I will create a new bucket with a like a DR solution. So I'm going to create a new bucket. I say DR. I'm going to create in US West 2. If it is better to choose the bucket and copy that settings, so you can have a similar replica of your existing source bucket. I have created the same thing. Now I'm going to create a new bucket for that as a DR solution. I have my two buckets now. Now I will create a replication rule. For this, I have to go to my source bucket and go to management. Here, if you see, I have a replication rule. I'm going to create a replication rule for this. Okay. For the replication to work, you need to enable bucket versioning. I'm going to enable that. I have enabled it now. Say my rule replication status I'm going to enable. The source will be my current bucket, which is in North Virginia. This is to take the rule scope. You need, if you want to have some replication of specific files or objects, you can specify here. Now I am going to select all objects in my bucket. Now I have to provide the destination. Here I am going to choose a bucket in my account. If I want to choose a bucket in another account, I can provide the account number and the bucket. I can proceed from here. Now I am going to proceed with my new bucket. My DR bucket is the destination, which is in US West 2, and same I need to enable versioning here. And I'm asking to create a new role. If you remember, when you want to connect two services, AWS services, you need to have a role between them to connect. So I am asking them to create a new role for that. If you want encryption, you can enable. If you want to change any storage class, you can. And for any replication, if you want to select the replication control matrix, you can do from here. Now I'm not going to enable it now, so I'm going to create a replication rule now. See, my replication rule is created, and you can see the rules configuration here. Now I will go to my new S3 bucket, which is the DRS3 bucket. Okay, and the replication, the point we need to note is, in replication, the existing files will not sync. The new files which is created under the source will be synced. So I have a file in my existing bucket, but it is not showing. Let's go to my original bucket and try to upload a file. Okay, I will upload a new file named index.html. Okay, it's uploaded. Let's go to my replication DR bucket and see whether I'm able to see that. It may take few seconds or minutes to get it replicated. Okay, if you see, my new files which is created under the source bucket is replicated to my DR bucket. This is a great tool for your backup and your DR solutions.